Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com, and in today's Stock Talk Saturday we're talking about the breakdown of Nvidia. Now the markets have been quite interesting lately, and let us pull up a chart of the markets. So this is pretty much what we're looking at. Price did find support down here, found resistance up here, and this is what we were looking for. Obviously, if you watch any of my prior videos, we were watching for resistance to come in over here. It did come in a little bit higher, but we were paid on the downside, and it does look like price is going to end up coming down a little bit further, somewhere in the low 2500s to upper 2400s. It's kind of what I'm thinking at the moment, but we'll take a wait and see approach. Probably a little bit of a bounce Monday, but we'll get into that later on. Let's talk about Nvidia. And this stock looks pretty interesting. It was chopping sideways, just starting to look kind of ugly. And so far it has rolled over, which is very interesting. And it's going to be kind of fun to watch when the week opens next week, just to see what is going to happen with this one. I'm watching for support down here at these blue bars. Obviously, the first one's going to be somewhere in the low 190s to 180s, 172 to 169, we'll say, and then somewhere around 140. So I'm thinking we're probably going to get support somewhere either here or here, whether it be temporary or longer term support. That's later to be seen. It could actually do both. So that's why I'm keeping these on the charts, just to see what is going to happen. I do think price is coming down here, at least somewhere below 200 in the short term. And then from there, we really have to get a grasp on what the market is actually doing. But I wanted to bring this to you just because the markets are rolling over. They rolled over, last week pretty nicely. And now, where are they going to be at? I'm going to do my S&P analysis video tomorrow for you guys. But today I just wanted to bring the stock to you. I don't do that many Stock Talk Saturdays, and I kind of miss them. I don't know if you guys like them or not, but this is pretty much what we're looking at. So price did come down. It did bounce. And this is a decent level right here. It was resistance, support, resistance, support, kind of support, and it's kind of resistance right now. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. If price can drop below this 2020 figure, then I think it's a good shot. It's going under 200. I think it's a good shot right now, but that'll kind of just put the icing on the cake, and it's definitely gone. Right now, it seems like it is gone. We'll have to take a wait and see approach, but that's what I'm looking at. A move down here. And this stock has been a high flyer. It really came from nothing. It came, if I scroll back here, this is November of 2016. It was under $100. And now if you look, it's definitely over 200, but it was over 250 for a few days. That's a crazy run. So it definitely needs to have some steam let out of it a little bit. So having it move down 20, 30, 50, 100 points isn't out of the playbook. And that's what I wanted to bring. A stock that's moved a lot is going to pull back a lot more. So if a stock moves 20 points, it might pull back 2 points. But if it moves 120 points, it can pull back 40, 50, 60 points. It's possible. So that's really what I want to bring today. Talk about Nvidia. It's a stock definitely on the watch list. It's a stock that I like to trade. I've traded it a lot. And I think my first trade with Nvidia was probably 2000. I don't know. It was quite a while ago. It was long enough ago that I don't remember it. So that was a while ago. But anyway, that's really what I'm looking for. Want to watch 230 and 220 on the downside. If it breaks 220, it's pretty much, I would say, 97% chance to come down here. Right now, it does have a good chance, but you know, if it breaks that, it's the chance is even increased. So that's really what I'm watching. These two levels are my primary levels that I'm watching, and this is a longer term level that has a possibility of getting hit. So that's really why I have it on the chart, just to look at. So, you know, check this out. If you guys have any other stocks that you're looking at, feel free to comment below. That's what Saturday Stock Talk was. That was the vision, was to have a way to talk about stocks. You know, I haven't really been able to dedicate too much time to this, but you know, with more comments and likes and stuff like that, I will definitely dedicate more time to it. So thanks for watching today. Have an awesome rest of your Saturday, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.